2023 Berkshire Hathaway AGM is a time when Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger answer questions in front of tens of thousands of their fans. I personally have spent a few hours just watching the videos and written articles about them. So in this video, I'm going to summarize all that I've learned into 8 key takeaways from the Berkshire Hathaway AGM, which include talking about Apple, the US banking crisis, how US should deal with China, and more. So first and foremost, let's get things started with their outlook of 2023. As for the outlook for 2023, Berkshire had a pessimistic outlook for the year 2023. So Warren Buffett expects that the majority of their businesses to report lower earnings due to the reasons like development of geopolitical conflicts, supply chain disruptions, high inflation, high interest rates, and more. The first quarter 2023, although the net earnings, which include short-term investment gains, increased to 35.5 billion, the group is not in a buying mode. Specifically, they sold 13.3 billion in stock and spent 4.4 billion buying back their own shares, as well as 2.9 billion in other public businesses. Next, on AI evolution, Charlie Munger is personally skeptical about the hype going into AI and confessed he likes old-fashioned intelligence that works pretty well. Warren Buffett, on the other hand, is amazed with how AI can change everything in the world except how men think and behave, and that's a big step to take. A shareholder also raised a very interesting question that's regarding Elon Musk. So Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett both praised Elon Musk as a highly talented and brilliant guy who dedicates himself to solving the impossible tasks. But Warren Buffett jokes about how they, in contrast, look for very simple things to do, and if he can do it, he will rather play tic-tac-toe. Alright? So based on this analogy or discussion, you can see how Berkshire Hathaway is set up in a way that they only want to invest in low risk, high probability businesses that they understand. You are still following thus far, but before we continue, a gentle reminder to subscribe to our channel if you want to get more investing insights like this video you're watching right now. In return, I will still show you a financial meme. Okay, with that, let's continue with the 4 other takeaways from the Berkshire Hathaway AGM of the US banking crisis. Warren Buffett criticized how politicians, regulators, and even the press, how they have handled the recent failures of the 3 banks, saying that their very poor messaging have frightened depositors. That being said, he continued that people should not be panicky about the banking industry or the safety of your bank deposits, despite of what's going on. He also defends his stake in the Bank of America and remains ready to act with his company's formidable cash pile if the situation calls for it. And for Occidental Petroleum, Warren Buffett said that he will not make an offer for the full control of the company, tempering speculation that he was seeking to own the whole energy producer after spending months snapping up the shares. They asked him about his stake in Paramount Global. Warren Buffett says that the streaming business is extremely interesting to watch, but there are a lot of companies doing it right now. So he says that you need fewer companies or higher prices. When a shareholder is worried about the stake of Apple in Berkshire Hathaway, that is accounting for almost 40% of their portfolio, Warren Buffett justified not diversifying away the stake because Apple is a better business than any other in their entire portfolio. So he says that Apple is different from the other businesses they own. It just happens to be a better business. In conclusion, the AGM provided valuable insights into the company's investment philosophy, their thoughts on the various stocks, and the overall economy outlook. However, what I love the most is actually the last bit where both of them gave some incredible life advice. So when a shareholder asked them about how to avoid mistakes in life, Warren Buffett answered that you should write your own obituary and then try to figure out how to live up to it. More specifically, he said that you should avoid debt, stay in the game, and be kind to others. As for Charlie Munger, he also has some simple advice. Spend less than what you earn, avoid toxic people and toxic activities, keep learning, do a lot of delayed gratification. So when you do all these together, you are almost certain to succeed. Anyway, I hope you find this video useful. If you want more investing related videos like this, do help us to smash the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching as always. Bye bye.